Crochet to the 25th round. Keep the same pattern. And 6 stitches, including the first stitch. After hooking, lock 2 stitches. Then in the next 2 stitches, hook to long stitches, merge into 1 stitch. Then crochet 3 long stitches. And 2 long stitches, and merge into 1. After hooking, lock 2 stitches. Then in each stitch, hook to long stitches. There are 6 stitches, finished with 2 stitches. Repeat the above steps until the end. On both sides of the bag, crochet 14 long stitches. Finish with a slip stitch. Continue to hook to long stitches in the first 2 stitches. Merge into 1 stitch, 1 long stitch in the middle, then 2 long stitches, and merge into 1, finished with 2 stitches. Add stitches regularly in the middle leaf. The first and last stitches in the same stitch, hook to long stitches, and 1 long stitch in the other stitches, and lock 2 stitches after hooking. Repeat the steps behind until the end, and 14 long stitches on both sides. Finally, complete the drawstring. Continue to crochet the 27th round after hooking 6 stitches. Then lock 2 stitches. Then crochet 3 long stitches. Merge 1 stitch. Then lock 2 stitches. Add stitches regularly in the middle of the leaf. The first and last stitches in the same stitch. Crochet to long stitches and 1 long stitch in the rest. Finished with 2 stitches. Repeat the above steps. Finish the crochet at the end. The body of the bag is crocheted for 27 rows. Then crochet a round of short stitches. In each hole, hook 2 short stitches. Finish the crochet and complete the drawstring. Then crochet the bag strap parts. The same short stitches as before, to the first 4 stitches before the second hole. Finish 19 6 chains to make the length of the strap. Finished! Corresponding to the 4th stitch of the middle blade and connected to hook a short stitch. Continue to hook the other side of the bag body until the end. Finish the drawstring. Then crochet a round of short stitches along the strap. To the body and the strap, the first 2 stitches of the corresponding front, and hook to incomplete short stitches, and combine them into 1 stitch. Crochet a short stitch until the end of the strap. The 2 stitches at the corner of the bag strap and body, merge to incomplete short stitches into 1. Repeat the steps behind to finish. Finish the other side of the strap. Finish the last stitch and end the thread and the first stitch. Sew an invisible braid. Hide the excess thread on the back. And the bag is done.